If you're looking for information on the Python RPA lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Python RPA lifetime deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Python RPA lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. RPA platform for its service providers and BPOs. Take advantage of the limitless possibilities of no-code automation with an all-inclusive fee and an unlimited number of bots. Grow your business with Python RPA. Seamlessly automate your repetitive work with user-friendly RPA bots, no coding required. X3 faster project completion with user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, guaranteeing effortless automation. Unlock the power of self-learning and fast-track your progress within 4 days in our online academy. All-inclusive enterprise plan with the added flexibility of our on-premises setup option. Go beyond boundaries, develop, run and deploy your Python scripts with ease. Control your existing Python scripts using Python RPA Orchestrator. Python RPA is a user-friendly automation platform that utilizes smart bots to handle repetitive tasks on desktop and browser. It enables users to automate tasks on custom web and desktop applications without coding. The platform's drag-and-drop feature makes it easy to set up custom automations, and bots can mimic human actions like clicking buttons and typing text. Python RPA also offers a comprehensive learning management system that includes video tutorials and quizzes to help users create advanced automations. The platform has a centralized bot management server that allows users to schedule bots for specific tasks. Python RPA also supports Azure OCR and native Python, allowing developers to create advanced automation projects with AI libraries. By automating tasks, businesses can save time and improve productivity. Python RPA offers a code-free solution to automate tasks across desktop and browser, providing businesses with everything they need to grow faster. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Python RPA today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.